Today I am going to be opening up a package from my pen pal Veronica, and she lives in Canada. I got this package from her and we sent each other letters, and this is the first package that she's sent to me. I'm going to send her a package back too. I don't know what's inside this package, so I'm looking at this package the same way that you guys are. So let's get to it. Yeah, I wish it was much more easier to open. I got a card. Hi Emma, how are you? What are you doing? What did you get for Christmas? What is your favorite toy? I got the LOL dollhouse on my desk and I love playing with it. I went skating today and I fell down only a couple of times. Do you like skating? From Veronica. Yes, I do like skating. P.S. I gave you one of my favorite LOL dolls. I hope you like it as much as I do. So let's see. What? It's a glitter series LOL doll. Whoa. Can't believe she gave this to me. It's one of her favorite LOL dolls. Thank you, Veronica. I love it, and I'm going to be sending you a package too. If we could get this video to 10,000 likes, that would be amazing. And hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, hit that bell button. Bye, Shimmer Stars. Shine bright. Don't forget to drop a like and always be yourself. Bye.